Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add fonts in LibreOffice in 2026. If you want to improve your document design and use custom or stylish fonts in Writer, Calc, or Impress, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, download the font you want from a trusted font website. Make sure the font file is in a supported format like TTF or OTF. Once the download is complete, locate the font file in your Downloads folder. Now, on Windows, right-click the font file and select Install. This will automatically add the font to your system. If you're using macOS, double-click the font file and then click Install Font in the preview window. After installation, restart LibreOffice if it was already open. This ensures the new fonts are properly loaded into the application. Next, open LibreOffice Writer or any other LibreOffice tool, like Calc or Impress. Now select the text you want to change, then go to the Font drop-down menu in the toolbar. You should now see your newly installed font listed there. Click it to apply it to your text. If the font does not appear immediately, restart your computer and try again. Finally, test the font in different documents to make sure it works correctly and displays properly. And that's it. You've successfully added new fonts in LibreOffice and can now use them in your documents for a more professional look. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.